Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here we know that for part A, we want to find the average speed. We know that the total distance traveled is going to be 500 kilometers, and then we just simply need to find the total time. So total distance traveled equals 500 kilometers. And then we can say that going there, we can say the average speed or the average velocity would be equal to delta x sub 1 divided by delta t sub 1. We can solve for delta t sub 1. This would be equal to delta x sub 1, of course, divided by the average velocity in the first portion of the trip. This is equaling 250 kilometers divided by 95 kilometers per hour. So this is giving us 2.632 hours. For the second time, delta t sub 2, this would equal delta x sub 2, which is again 250 kilometers, and then divided by the average velocity in the second portion. So this would be 250 kilometers divided by 55 kilometers per hour. And this is giving us 4.545 hours. Now there's a 1 hour lunch break. So delta t total would be equal to 4.545 plus, what do you say, 4.545 plus 2.632 plus 1, so 1 hour lunch break, and this is giving us 8.177 hours. So to find the average speed, this would be equal to delta x total divided by delta t total, and this would equal 500 kilometers divided by 8.177 hours, giving us approximately 61 kilometers per hour. And then to find for part B, we want to find the average velocity. However, the average velocity here, this is a round trip. So when you're traveling round trip, you are ending up in the same place as you started. So your displacement, which defines velocity, will actually be 0. So if your displacement is 0, your average velocity for the entire round trip would, of course, be equal to 0 meters per second. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.